Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we look at the Spring Initializr. So Spring Initializr is a web tool that is used by developers to generate the Spring Boot project structure. To access the tool you just need to go to start.spring.io, and here you can fill in your configuration details and then generate the project. So on the project you can either select Gradle or Maven to be the build tool for your application. And the language you can either select Java, Kotlin, or Groovy. Then under Spring Boot you can select the version of the Spring Boot. So do not select the snapshots because they are under development and are not stable. So always go for a stable version. We now move to project metadata, which is simply information about the project. The group is the identifier of the project group. The artifact is the name of the application. The name is the same as the artifact. The description gives more information on what the project is about. The package name is the combination of the group and the artifact. Under packaging, you can either select jar to package the project files with a .jar extension or war to package the project files with a .war extension. Under Java, you should select the Java version that is already installed on your machine. Then here under dependencies, you can select dependencies for your project. You can see that there is no dependency selected currently. To add a new dependency, click on this button. Here you can search dependencies needed for your project. For example, the Spring Web. This is useful when creating web and RESTful applications using the Spring MVC. Let's select this one. Another example would be the MySQL driver. This is useful when creating applications that use the MySQL database. You could also add the DevTools dependency. This provides fast application restarts, live reload, and configurations for enhanced development experience. Let's also select this. Under project, I'll select Maven and leave the default values for the other configuration details. So once you have filled all the configurations, you can generate the project, explore the project, or share the configuration. So let's click on Explore. Here you can scroll down to see the dependencies that we have added. You can also explore the project structure. Now let's close this. Under Share, you can copy the link to the configuration and share it with your team. So let's now generate the project. You have noted that we have these two icons. You can select on either to change the theme to either dark mode or light mode. Unzip the generated folder. Go to your IDE. I'll use the IntelliJ IDEA. So click Open. Navigate to the unzipped folder. Select this and then click OK. Click on Trust Project. Give it some time to download the dependencies. So here is our project. To run the application, go to this file. You can see that the class has the Spring Boot application annotation and a main method where we can run the application. To run this, right-click on this file and then click Run. So the application has started successfully, and you can see that it is running on the Tomcat web server on port 8080. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.